Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is PremPankaj and I'm here to discuss a very important topic of class 10 mathematics, that is linear equation in two variable. First of all, what is linear equation? A equation which have the highest degree is 1. Then a question arises, then what is a degree? The highest power of a variable in an equation is called its degree. Look at the example. Like if we take an equation that is 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Here the variable is x and the power of this variable is 1. Then this is the linear equation. This is the linear equation. All the linear equations have highest power or degree equals to 1. This equation is a linear equation in only one variable, which we have studied in the previous classes of class 9th, 8th and 7th. Here we have to discuss the linear equation in two variable, that is example taken as 4x plus 3y equals to 5. Here the variables are x and y, but the highest degree or the highest power of these variable are only 1. Hence this equation is a linear equation but having the variable 2. Okay, so let's begin our topic, that is linear equation in two variable. Linear equation having their degree 1 and linear equation having their graph as a straight line. Graph is straight line. Okay, the general equation of the linear equation is ax plus by equals to c, where a, b, c are the constant and x and y are the two variable. So this is the equation of linear equation in two variable, and we have to discuss three concepts, that is what the solution of the two equation given in any question, any problem, and we have to find the solution, number of solution, that the equation gives the unique solution, are the infinitely many solution, or no solution. So we have to discuss only 3 points. The first problem is unique solution. When a pair of linear equation intersect each other at only one point, then they gives the unique solution. Like if we take a general equation as a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y equals to c2. These are the two linear equation in two variable x and y. When these two lines intersect only at only one point, okay, then these two equations give unique solution, and the condition of being a unique solution is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2, and these all are not equal. If any pair of equation is a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2, these all three coefficient of the variables are non-equal, then we can say this pair gives the unique solution. Look at the example. If we discuss 3x plus 4y equals to 7 and 4x plus 2y equals to 3. These are the two linear equation. Here a1, we compare this equation with a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y equals to c2. Okay, then we get that is 3 upon 4. This is 4 upon 2. These are the not equal and not equals to 7 upon 3. We found this condition fulfilled. That is a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. Then we get a point that these pair of linear equation gives the unique solution, means these two lines intersect only at a point. Okay, now second problem is infinitely many solutions. Second problem is infinitely many solution. Okay, when the pair of linear equation coincide with each other, then we can say that these two lines give the infinite number of solution. Let's understand this with a graph, with a line. Like this is a line L1 and a second line L2 only coincide with this line. Second line L2 coincide with this line L1. Then here for point P, this gives a solution. For point Q, this gives a solution. For point R, this gives a, there are infinitely many points which gives the values of x and y. Hence we can say that infinitely many solution. The condition for this, if we assume line L1 as a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and line L2 as a2x plus b2y equals to c2, then the condition for infinitely many solution is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. If all the three variables, if the ratio of all the three coefficients are equal, then we can say that the pair of linear equation give the infinite number of solution, and these two lines are coinciding. Okay, let's take example like 2x plus 3y equals to 4 and 3x plus 6y and 4x plus 6y equals to 8. If we take the ratios of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2, here a1 upon a2 that is 2 upon 4 gives 1 upon 2. Okay, b1, b2 that is 3 upon 6 gives 1 upon 2. c1, c2 that is 4 upon 8 that is 1 upon 2. All the three ratios are equal, hence we can say that these two lines, these two equations are coinciding, give the coinciding lines. Okay, the third problem is when the line gives no solution. Third one is no solution. No solution is the condition when the two lines never intersect each other. When the lines never intersect each other, that means, and which kind of lines which never intersect each other, that is the parallel lines. That is parallel lines. Okay, for the condition for the parallel lines is, if we consider two equation, similarly a1x plus b1y equals to c1, a2x plus b2y equals to c2. The condition for being a parallel line or giving no solution, that is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. The constant terms are not equal, the ratio for the constant terms are not equal, but the coefficient of the variables are equal. Okay, so let's take an example. If we take 2x plus 3y equals to 4 and 4x plus 6y equals to 5. Okay, so from using this equation, we can take a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2. The ratio for a1 a2, that is 2 upon 4, gives out 1 upon 2. Ratio for b1 b2, that is 3 upon 6, gives out 1 upon 2. And the ratio for c1 upon c2, that is 4 upon 5, which are taken as 4 upon 5 only, because these are the co-prime number. So the ratio for a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2, but not equals to c1 upon c2. Hence these two lines are parallel lines. They never intersect each other, hence they never gives a solution. So we discuss here only three problems, that is unique solution, infinitely many solution, and no solution. Let's understand using a table. Table is unique solution, condition 1, that is unique solution. Second one is infinitely many solution. And third one is no solution. Okay, the condition for unique solution is a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. Condition for infinitely many solution is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. The condition for being a no solution is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. These lines are intersecting. These lines are coinciding. And these lines are parallel. Okay, these two conditions are called consistent solution. And this is called inconsistent solution. Okay, so for the board examination, this topic is very important, that is unique solution when the lines intersect at only one point, and the ratio for the condition is condition is a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2, and the lines are intersecting, and the solution is called consistent solution. Second one is infinitely many solution when the a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2, means the lines are coinciding and the solution gives consistency. No solution when the a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 not equals to c1 upon c2. These two lines are parallel and this gives inconsistent solution. I hope you enjoyed this video. and thank you so much.